We're now going to look to put in the eave sheets and carport sheets. So layer groups, eaves, and we've got our eaves lines in. I've got the wall plates in here just so you can see where the walls are, and these, if we wished, we could just drop these into the background. And the same with the beams, just drop them into the background. So I've left with the fascia all the way around so you can see what's going on. Eave sheets, first one. Next, material code cost center. Now again, user tick. So we're going to use the 2.4 by the 0.9, might be 0.75 in this case, and we can either put the area in, the length, or just the number 1. Generally I'll just use the number 1, so there's one sheet at 2.4 by 0.75. Draw, this is going to draw the items to the right, so E for endpoint. I can just pick points along my fascia. Now again, I just picked the 2 points there and it went vertically. So what I should have done, pick the point, right mouse click, pick the other point, and it's gone at the angle. Back to being vertical, and across the back. So you can see it's drawing everything in, whether we need it or not. And what we do is we just get as much in as we can, and right click, and then we can go back and tidy it up. So this was the eave sheet we didn't want. Delete. We've got one here, one there. This one will cover the corner across here. Or we can just say, well, we pick up these items and just move them down. So I could go endpoint perpendicular. So that's covered. We've got one here. Again, we might pick these up. Just move the about point. Might not want that one. It's whatever you feel is necessary. Again, one of these two can be removed. Need that one, and this one will cover the little space there. So it gives you a bit of extra, and it's quite visual as far as how many you need. Now, with the garage or the carport, we would use then the sheets command. You can use this for eave sheets, floor sheets, any type. So we've got 2 widths, 1.2 and 0.9, and 3 lengths starting at the highest, 3, 2.4 and 1.8. We've got the dot on the number 1, and this runs the same way as the eave sheet, so it runs along and then across. So OK, what we're going to do here is the whole lot. So E for endpoint, 1, 2, and I'll just go nearest, and let's put the sheets in. I'm going to go 2 point, number 2. Here's my first point, endpoint, and across, and just put all those sheets in. So we can see we've got 3 by 1.2s and then 1.8 by 1.2 wide running across, and they're my sheets for the garage.